viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 festive hairstyles that you can create for any Indian occasion. So let's just dive into the video. For the festive bun, I will begin by taking a side parting. Take a section from the top till the back of the ear and separate that section of hair for now. I'm taking the rest into a neat ponytail. Now to make a voluminous bun, I'll be using this bun maker. To use this, you have to take it all the way till the end of the ponytail and wrap it inwards till the base of the ponytail. And this way, you'll get a voluminous and round hair bun. Cover all the sides of the bun and secure it well with U-pins from all the sides. Now with the front, start doing a French braid where you have to add sections of hair from the front into the middle section and braid normally. Do this till you have hair till the top of the ear and then continue braiding normally. Pull on it to open up the braid a little bit. And that's your voluminous festive bun hairstyle. If you have fine hair, using this hack will give you a round, fuller bun. For the second one, begin by taking a deep side parting. Make sure your hair has no knots and take all your hair towards one side. I'm leaving a small section of hair away and taking the rest into a side ponytail. Now make an opening in the center and flip the ponytail inwards. And this is how it will look. If you have fine hair, just pull on both the sides to open it up a little bit. Now simply repeat doing the same thing below the first one. It's really simple, you just have to tie a rubber band and then make an opening in the center and flip it inwards. Just make sure that you pull on each side at least a little bit because the details of the braid show a lot more and the braid also looks more voluminous. Do this till the end depending on the length of your hair. You can leave it like that, but since this is a festive hairstyle, I would like to add some hair accessory. I'm also very lightly going to be curling the hair that I left in the front. And that's the festive braid. It is so simple that even beginners can create. You can do this braid at the back or whichever side that you like. I hope you like these 2 festive hairstyles and I hope you can create these for the festive season. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment telling me which one was your favorite and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye!